All right, let's try this again. Let's look at ALEPH. So right now, we are sitting at 18 cents, and I've looked at this one before. We have resistance sitting at 27.5 cents, and this was actually a request from Telegram. And then to the downside, we have support at 13 cents. Let me look at the monthly. Monthly, there's not a lot of data. Money flow looks okay. Not a lot of data, though. On the weekly time frame, I would like to see the money flow continue to the upside. Weekly time frame does need to come down a little bit more because you're sitting at 18 on the stock RSI. If I look at the 3-day time frame, that looks very bullish to me though, because you're above, or you're you're really close to the 200-day moving average. So it is pretty likely you do get that retest of 27 cents to the upside, at least on the macro time frames. It looks like you have a little resistance here at 21 cents, but if you're looking at just on the weekly time frame, I don't think that's going to be tough to get through. If we go down to the daily, you can see the daily's already overbought. How's the 2-day looking? That's overbought as well. So it's not looking great. Money flow on the daily still has upside, so that suggests that you can make a higher low and then eventually try to make a higher high. Last time you were overbought before this time was up at 30 cents. So again, this is a lower high right now for the daily time frame. If I go to the 12-hour, that's overbought. If I go to the 8-hour, that's overbought. Money flow is extended. If I go to the 6-hour, same situation. You're trying to break the 200-day moving average right now on the 6-hour. On the 4-hour, you already broke it. So if you stay about 17 cents, we're bullish. Unfortunately, I think with the higher time frames being overbought, you're going to probably lose that level again. So 4-hour time frame overbought. I will say though, technically speaking, on the 4-hour time frame, that is a higher high. So the smaller time frames, such as the 4-hour, are starting to make higher highs. Now I would like to see that translate over to the daily. And the 3-day money flow is extended on the 4-hour as well, which suggests now you make a move to the downside. If I go down to the 2-hour time frame, well, this looks interesting to me. Like, right now, you are kind of flagging out. So I would say if you can hold a level of 17 cents, 17.45, 17.5, I would just say 17 cents to give some insurance and breathing room. But if you hold a level of 17 cents, I could see this continuing up. This is definitely a flag. So it does say that the 1-hour time frame could push you a little bit higher to the upside and get you up to 22 cents. And maybe you just keep flagging out until you hit that resistance at 27.5 cents. So, and the time frame I love to trade is a 333-minute. Right now, that is sitting at 17 cents. Again, if you hold this flag, I guess you wouldn't lose 17 cents, so it might not be a bad idea to enter down, not financial advice, with a stop at 17 cents. But if this flag fails, then obviously the higher time frame, that means the higher time frames are taking over, and then you would probably get a move back to 12 or 13 cents. If this does hold and you don't lose 17 cents, that means the flag is playing out, and then short term you could be looking for 22 cents. So really, if you hold 17 cents, I see a move to 22 cents. If you lose 17 cents, that probably means the flag failed, obviously, and then you could see a move back to that 13 cent support on this. Areas to sell, well, I would say the next area to sell of massive interest would be 27 to 28 cents, and then above that would be all-time highs at 47 cents. I don't think I'd sell everything if you're holding a moon bag or a big bag, because again, you can make a new all-time highs, but that's just what I'm seeing on this crypto. So if you guys enjoyed this, appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe. And if you guys want to join the trading group, link to join is in the description below, and as is in the description below for the Telegram. I'll be back live Monday, 8 p.m. Central Time. Until then, trade safe and have a great rest of your Sunday night.